Prep na tayo for the photo shoot and I'm with Mark.
Hello!
Yes, yung Facebook niya nasa baba para ma-contact niya siya. Sinusukatan niya tayo for our outfits sa ating photo shoot and I'm so excited! So, i-chika mo naman sa kanila ng konting-konti lang. Yung ano pa sila, ma-excite.
Una dyan, para siyang pang-battle.
Oh!
So, and then the next is like a goddess. And then the third last, like a queen.
Oh. So, abangan niyo yan dahil may istorya tong photoshoot na to. So, yung pinaka-daring na makikita niyo ako.
Hello!
Hello! This is it! Ang wedding dress. Ngayon lang yata nag-photoshoot.
Ano napipili mo, Kylie?
Ano, mamaya na tayo mag-usap, no?
Magustuhan mo yung maging come up nung photoshoot natin for today. I love you, girl!
Miss Helen, happy birthday sa'yo. I hope, katulad po ng sabi ni Ma'am Angela, magustuhan niyo po yung aming conjoined creativity for your birthday. So I want you to be happy for this birthday and our gift of our creativity sa inyo. Thank you!
Happy birthday, of course. God bless sa'yo sa lahat ng gagawin mo and make your dreams and goals come true.
Thank you kasi dami-dami niya nabibigay na blessings sa akin. More success! Yes! More subscribers! More subscribers and happy birthday! Yes! Happy birthday!
Yes! Happy birthday! Lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo na isa ka sa pinakamagandang kaibigan ko, Mama Mary, Helen agad. Bawal mag number 1 kasi Mama Mary yun, bawal ungusan, ha? Happy birthday, GF. Super blessed ko na isa ka sa pinakamatalik kong kaibigan at mahal na mahal kita. Sobrang blessing mo sa buhay ko at sa marami pang buhay. So, pagpatuloy mo lang yan. Ayun. Happy birthday, GF. Matiin mo. Bumati ka. Ayaw, GF. Ayaw makapansinin. Tahimik. So, ayun, happy birthday, GF. I love you, I love you, I love you so much.
Taking this chance to encourage everyone to fight for what they believe in and to accept whatever battles they may encounter in their lives. Celebrating my 27th year with love, faith, and hope for people like me who have been fighting the same battle. We shall overcome this. I, HelenOnFleek, a psoriasis warrior, is embracing fully whatever struggle this battle might take. With contagious confidence within me, I am now fiercer with my scars.